Okay, so this is Integrated Math 1. This is lesson 4-6, and I'm doing practice problem 3. So the problem says you want to build a fence for a rectangular dog run. You want the run to be at least 10 feet wide, and you want the run to be at most 50 feet long. You have 126 feet of fencing. What is a graph showing the possible dimensions of the dog run? So let's stop and consider some stuff first. So first we need at least 10 feet wide, all right? And then we need at most 50 feet long, and we have 126 feet of fencing. All right, so we know that this is in the section of systems of inequalities, so we're going to have to make a couple of equations. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to assign variables. We're going to use Desmos, so let's go ahead and say that x equals how wide something is, and y equals how long something is, all right? So at the end of the day, x plus y, you have this much, we have this much feet of fencing. So not x plus y, but a perimeter. So if we drew a perimeter and we looked at it really fast, here's our square, right? This is 10 feet, this is 50 feet, but we have all the sides have to be fenced. So we have 2 width plus 2 long, and that has to be less than or equal to, and on the graph I will write less than or equal to, 126 feet. Right? That makes sense. We know where we're going with that. All right? Let's write the other two equations. X, we want it to be at least 10 feet wide. At least 10 feet wide. So that means it could be wider than. So we want x to be greater than or equal to 10 feet. We want y to be less than it at most. So y should be at most 50 feet long, right? And it says it seems like it could be equal to that as well. All right, so these are our three equations right here. These are the three options. So we're going to go over to Desmos and we're going to plug those in and see what some of our answers are going to be. All right, so we said 2x plus 2y is less than or equal to 126. We said that x is greater than or equal to, let's go back and check really fast, 10. And we said that y is less than, and if you type less than or equal to in the equation on your keyboard, it will actually switch it to that. So I typed less than, and then I typed equal, and when I put them together, it automatically switches it to that. So there's a helpful tip. Less than or equal to 50. All right, now let's zoom out and see what we've got. All right, so where could all these three cross? We're looking only at positive things. So this section right here, this triangle right there, that is what it would look like in a graph, and that is our answer. And for your homework assignments, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and take a screenshot of this, and you can plug that into the answer itself, or you can hand draw what you've got.